Hello everybody, today I'm going to be showing how I repaired this lighted bell set. Uh-oh, looks like we got a bulb out. I do have replacements, so that's no big deal. Let's see what we got here. It doesn't appear bad. Don't know what that was about, but that bulb indeed works. So I'll put that back together. May need to solder on a blob on that terminal on the end. Or better yet, maybe the tab is bent just a little bit. I have a handy fix for that. Got this little pick here. I can just make sure it's unplugged now and just bend that tab out ever so slightly. And then put the bulb back in and see what happens. And that fixed the problem. Maybe. It's already starting to twinkle. May have a wiring issue there. I'll have to work on that a little further. Go ahead and pull this socket apart and see what's going on. I got plenty of these sockets. If there's a problem with the socket, that's not a big deal. There it goes. I don't see anything amiss. Alright, let's put this back together. Give these a good push on there to hopefully they make a good connection. And then I'll strap it back together. And we'll see what happens. Hopefully it's going to work just fine. That's probably real good for the bulb. Nope. Probably burnt my bulb out by dropping it. Well, it turns out the socket was bad. I've got a spare strand with that type of socket. So I just swapped that out and now we've got a full light. I'm going to see if that original bulb works. Good deal. So that is fixed. Put that old socket in the trash. Don't need it. So very good. Glad that was an easy fix. Seemed like I remember that was messing up a little bit towards the end of season last year. That's why I keep the old strands, at least one of them, so I've got some spare parts. That is repaired and ready to go. Final test, still working, so good deal. Set those aside. Get my working pile started here. Once again, this has been repairing my lighted bell set. Thank you for watching.